Hi everyone, welcome back to An Design Craft channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a soft crescent moon. For this version, I'm using double yarn to make it larger and fluffier. It's perfect as an accessory for the sleeping Pikachu pillow or even as a cute plush on its own. It's simple and fun to make. For the full Pikachu pattern, you can join my channel to unlock exclusive access. Here are the tools you'll need for this project. I'm using double strands of 4-ply cotton yarn to make the moon soft and slightly bigger. You'll also need a 3.5mm crochet hook, a yarn needle for sewing, and a pair of scissors. Simple tools, and that's all you need to get started. To get double yarn, you can either use 2 rolls of the same yarn or simply pull from both the outer strand and the inner strand of 1 roll. Begin with 26 chains to start the moon pattern. Now for row 1, make 1 chain to start. Then insert your hook into the back bump of the second chain from the hook. Work 1 slip stitch, two single crochets, two half double crochets, and 1 double crochet increase. That means 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Next, work 2 triple crochets, followed by a triple crochet increase. Repeat that sequence, 2 triple crochets and 1 triple crochet increase, 4 times in total. Once you've completed the sequence 4 times, you'll start to see a nice curved shape forming, just like the curve of a crescent moon. After that, continue with 2 triple crochets, one double crochet increase, two half double crochets, two single crochets, and finally, one slip stitch in the last chain. That completes row 1. You'll already see the shape start to curve like a crescent. Make one chain to start. Turn your work to the back, and now let's continue with row 2. First, skip one stitch. Then work one slip stitch, two single crochets, two half double crochets, and one double crochet increase. That means 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Next, do 2 triple crochets, followed by 1 triple crochet increase, repeat this sequence, 2 triple crochets and 1 triple crochet increase, 5 times in total. After that, work 2 more triple crochets, one double crochet increase, two half double crochets, two single crochets, and finish off with one slip stitch at the end. Cut the yarn and weave the yarn tail through the last stitch. Then, bring it through the center of the stitch to neatly finish off. Now that you've finished one moon piece, you can already use it as a flat 2D moon if that's what you need. But since we're making a cute little moon pillow for Pikachu, we'll need to crochet another piece using the exact same pattern. When you're done, make sure to leave a long yarn tail. We'll use that for sewing. Now, place both pieces together and start sewing around the edge using a yarn needle. You can use stitch markers to lock both pieces together. This will make it easier to sew them evenly all around. As you sew, remember to stuff in enough polyester fiber to make it nice and fluffy. Take your time to shape it well, then sew the last part closed, and there you go, your soft puffy moon pillow is complete. And that's it! Your fluffy moon pillow is now complete. It's a perfect cozy accessory for the sleeping Pikachu or any of your crochet dolls. If you're looking for the sleeping Pikachu pattern, it's available exclusively for channel members. Feel free to join to unlock this pattern and many more adorable creations. And stay tuned, more exclusive videos are coming soon. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy crocheting!